Legal pot, it sounds to me like all this discussion of the prices going up or down. New Jersey can't really seem to get a handle on what they want to do with this.
Exactly. And, you know, one of the issues is how much do you regulate the business aspect of growing legal marijuana? And you've seen this across the board in different states. Everybody's struggling with that issue and how that impacts the price, whether or not you can have your own mom and pop shop or you can grow it at home. It definitely makes a big difference, the extent of those regulations.
Bob, what do you think? As a former prosecutor, put law enforcement on the defensive potentially because, you know, we talk about the broken windows theory of crime and policing. You see what's going on in Newark. They're actually driving the crime down by arresting people for small crimes. Does this take away a law enforcement tool?
No, I don't think it does. And I think that Phil Murphy is continually connecting this marijuana issue with criminal justice reform, because the fact of the matter is, Bill, we don't, as prosecutors and police, have the resources to continue to put people in state prison for low-level offenses like marijuana when we know everyone is doing it anyway, and the only person benefiting by that is the drug dealer. So I know.
Do you think you agree with that as an attorney? I mean, you look at this. I mean, the drug dealer is certainly benefiting, but think of it this way: that the cost at a dispensary, medical marijuana, $400 plus an ounce. You buy it on the street, the top quality stuff for about $300.
I do think that that's a problem, and I think that you pointed to really the heart of the matter here, which is what actually needs to be changed right away in New Jersey, and it is the medical marijuana situation. That is more important, should take priority, and really should be handled immediately. With respect to recreational use of marijuana, I think it's a relatively complex matter. I agree with Bob that we don't want to waste our valuable law enforcement resources doing something that sort of doesn't matter all that much anyway, but, you know, I think it's complex.
But it does when it comes to things like driving under the influence. It's been a spike of
It
fatalities in Colorado.
And
this is not anticipated.
And they should regulate it and make sure that some of that profit is going back to putting police officers as dare officers in schools and education about the responsible use of these drugs.
Okay, got to leave it there. Thanks.